Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my garden. So I'm so excited because spring is finally here. We don't have temperatures a lot below freezing anymore, so I finally can start gardening. And the first thing I will do is start some edible plants from seeds. I have a friend in the mountains who is growing mostly edible plants, and I chose 5 different species for my garden for this season. Hope they will grow and I will have a good harvest. So the first one is really common. I chose sunflower seeds because sunflowers attract birds to the garden like crazy, and I really need more birdsong in the garden. The next one, this is a type of onion. It is called bunching onions. These look just like green onions but are a bit taller. And the third one is called sanguisorba. I'm not sure if you can see the seeds. These are beautiful perennial and I really love the flowers, you guys, so I will grow these as ornamental plants in the flower beds, but I will also try the leaves in salads. The fourth one is fava beans. I never grew fava beans before, but these are really healthy and also healthy for the garden. Anything from the bean family is really important for the garden and really useful because these guys can harvest the atmospheric nitrogen and turn into crucial nutrients for the plants. So these act like biological fertilizers for the garden. And the last one is the most interesting one. This is calabash, you guys. I never grew this one in the garden. This is from the cucumber family. It looks like a pumpkin. I mean, the fruit looks like a pumpkin. And if you let it dry, it will harden so much it will be woody, just like a coconut shell, and you can use it for crafting. This is unfortunately an annual in zone 6, but in Africa, for example, they grow it for a lot of different things. They use it for crafting even musical instruments, so it is really interesting. I hope this will grow and I will be able to craft something at the end of the season. So some of you may remember last fall when I pruned the boxwood hedge, I planted the cuttings in the miniature greenhouses. I just opened them like 5 minutes ago and it was so hot inside, you guys. It was like summer temperatures. I opened them for now because it is sunny and really hot outside, but I will close them for the night. I think for the next weeks I will leave these open because we will have really high temperatures and I don't want them to get cooked inside. They look really nice, you guys. I have a really high survival rate here. I was not expecting this. We have a little bit of tip damage here and there, but it's almost not significant. I think most of them survived and I will have lots and lots of boxwoods for the next years, so I will be able to start new hedges in the garden. So this is the southern part of the cottage and this is where I will put the rest of the seeds. I will need to make space for the other ones here. Okay, so I prepared the miniature greenhouses the same way I did for the winter sowing video. I will link it in the description below. And I will start with the sunflower seeds. I will not cover them, and it should be fine. Make sure to remove the lid so they will have air. And seeds are really small. I will just sprinkle them over the soil. So these are the sanguisorba seeds. These are also pretty small, so I will proceed the same way. I try to arrange them evenly and try to leave a little bit of space between the seeds. So these are the calabash seeds. These look really interesting. Thank you a lot for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.